Hi guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video I will let you know how to create inset figures in Mathematica notebook. To begin with, I first create simple figures. For example, I plot sine function 8x and I give the range for x varying from 0 to 2 to pi. If I run this, right, I have this figure. I then copy the same thing here. Let me enlarge this for better visibility. So I have this sine function. I copy this command and put it over here and change the name of the plot first to figure 2 and then change the function sine to cos function. And if I run this too, I get a figure like this. Let me reduce the size a little bit. So we have these two figures and I add one more figure, figure 3 equals graphics, and inside the graphics I give it red, thick, and then I create a circle 0 0 and the center, then after it is 0.5, closing this, and then I close first the curly bracket and then the square bracket and run this. So I have the circle now, and I want to put this figure, that is figure 2 and figure 3, and the inset of figure 1. So I want to make a little change to figure 1, thereby adding the frame. So I write frame true and then run the figure. Now the frame is introduced. What I do, I first select this figure and then press Ctrl C to copy this figure to the clipboard, and then I come over here in the first figure and double click in the gray area. You see now the whole figure is selected for introducing the inset figure, and with that selection I just press Ctrl V and the figure I have copied is now put inside this figure. I can modify this figure by putting the dots on the frame, like this one corner or this one or this one. So I put the cursor on one of the corners and press the right button on my mouse pad and then drag to resize the figure to desired value, and then I bring the cursor on the plot so that the positive sign appears at the tail of the cursor, and then again press the left button on my mouse pad and drag the figure to the position where I want to paste it, like here, here, or anywhere else. Then I click outside the figure and come to choose this figure. So if I click over here, it is selected. I press Ctrl C again to copy this figure, and then I again double click inside the gray area of this figure to select it for pasting inside it, and now I paste the value of the figure I have already copied, and again I repeat the same procedure to resize the figure, and I can put this anywhere. Again I put the cursor on the shape so that the positive sign appears with the cursor, and then pressing the left button on the mouse pad and drag it to the desired value. If I click outside the figure and then want to make any changes to the insets, I again double click somewhere in the gray area, and I can then click inside a figure and I can change the position and can even change the sizes to anywhere I want. So this way you can add inset figures to any figure and any number of inset figures, and can change the position and size of the inset figure at any time you want. At the end, if you haven't subscribed to Safi Max, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also the like button on the video. Thanks for watching.